Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Goku, a superhero from Dragon Ball Z. Goku is a superhero from the famous cartoon Dragon Ball Z, loved by kids and toddlers. He is strong, brave and always fights for what's right. With his friends, Goku battles powerful enemies to protect the world. Kids love Goku because he is cool and have amazing powers like flying and shooting energies blast. He teaches us about courage, friendship and never giving up. Through Goku adventure, kids learn important lessons about teamwork and preservation. So join Goku on his epic quest and get ready for action-packed fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.